Steve said you need to get a GoPro and strap it to your hat. That way, in case you run over any more septic tanks, you could have it on video.
You told him?
Oh yeah, he was dying. Put a pot of coffee on.
Oh, nice. I was literally going to go straight to the coffee pot.
Probably not even done brewing yet.
Well, I passed up on the Jams coffee this morning.
Oh, nice. Putting the final touches on number 10. We're going to working on some wheelie bars, and then I was thinking we really got to get working on our packaging too.
Yeah.
Because I can't do all this hard work on the frame and then just throw it in a brown box.
Steve.
What's up? Last one right here.
Jeez, that's what he does.
Just kills it.
Yeah. Oh, no, we have 10 more minutes on this one.
Then it's wheelie bar time.
Yeah.
So like Steve just said, he's on his last frame, number 10. Gonna be completely welded up. Game plan for today is to work on the wheelie bars, get those done. That's the last piece of the puzzle, isn't it? Because we're not assembling the forks. The forks are just going with it.
Spacers for the axle spacer too.
You're on a time crunch, man. Are you gonna make it?
I don't know, man. Might not make it.
What did you do though?
There's a slight malfunction with the grease gun, so I pulled it apart to see what was going on, and it just literally went. And then this stuff's real expensive, and it's hard to get, so I'm trying to shove it back down, and the freaking it keeps pushing the air back out.
You never even see me over there.
Every time. I never see you sitting there.
You just come beep up and in.
Got the rig in the back of the truck.
Oh
today,
yeah,
huh?
it's
Nice.
a big day.
The value of that truck went up like 50% just by having the that rig in the back.
I was wondering when Grandpa's showing up with those donuts.
I know. Apple Castle, man. They got the best. Big frame drop coming. You guys gonna be ready or what?
Which I actually heard that TGV Dave was going to be trying to log on the website at 9 p.m. to see if he could score one.
Yeah, I got all my buddies lined up. They're gonna try to pick them up because we're gonna build a fleet of Trikes. These guys won't actually give me a frame, so I gotta buy my own. So.
Yeah.
He's not kidding.
When some guy goes, scam!
About what? What picture?
Like of all these frames.
Oh,
he goes,
scam.
scam! Like, what are you talking about, guy?
Scam.
Scam.
Yep.
Oh, it's obviously scam. Scam. That's, you know.
What?
What are you doing?
Getting ready to order up a battery pack here for a headlight build that we have going on.
So guys, it's about 10:15 in the morning here on Tuesday. Things are going great, making great progress on the frames. How many coffees have you had so far?
A lot. We're just getting everything packaged up. One thing I did forget to get was little bags to put all the hardware in.
Oh.
If I can get some of those today.
Ziploc baggies, freezer baggies?
That's just
Yeah, that's
not
that-
what we're all about
that's
here.
amateur, man. That's freaking amateur.
I'll have to see what I can make happen.
There was
pretty quick.
talk of little candies being thrown around. We still, you're gonna make that template stencil for the boxes.
Oh yeah, we're going all in on this. So we got to get more organized with incoming packages.
Yeah.
We had a shipping and receiving table, but that just all goes out the window. People bring packages back, leave them all over the place. I don't know where all my nuts went.
See, I don't know where the yours went either.
This one looks like it got ran over by a truck.
What we got on Friday or whatever.
Bunch of nuts.
Now those just look like freaking sandwich baggies.
Yeah. I totally forgot I ordered this until I saw it on my Amazon orders. Oh, this wasn't even the right thing. This is gas tanks. Dang it.
What'd you
Never
think
mind.
it was? Oh.
When did I order gas tanks?
Oh man, dude, that looks insane. Yeah, that looks insane.
Insane.
It looks like Cafe Racer.
Yeah. Yeah, I figured that'd be nice for a mini bike.
Yeah, that'd be awesome. Wait, we're doing a mini bike build now? Yeah, there's definitely mini bikes coming. There's a lot of mini stuff coming. What do you think, Steve? Man, just pick those things up and curl them.
What do they weigh? 20 pounds?
Yeah, I think 24 pounds.
Yeah, it looks like probably heavier
Yeah.
than it is, you know. So, what you're saying.
Bro, I was hoping you didn't slingshot
Oh
those
man.
deflators.
Let's roll. Russ, you got the jump seat on that side.
Okay. Oh, there's a dog in here. Hi, Bob. Oh, that's gonna make for some good content. She's so chill, she might let you put those pit vipers on her. That'd be nuts.
Oh, that's a good idea.
So what are we doing here at the park, Ben?
Just gonna get some pictures for the old Instagram account. Get some golden doodle pictures. Gigi, TGV Gigi.
Got those vipers really riding high.
Oh yeah.
So we're here at the park. We're gonna get some pictures for the Instagram. Man, that's a freaking cornhole setup.
Yeah.
Like
Made out of cement.
cement? That's freaking awesome. Look at this cornhole.
Oh yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah. This is TGV Gigi. She's gonna try to do a modeling session for the new gas mini trike.
Just went, got groomed today.
Oh
Yeah,
yeah,
fresh-
Fresh grooming
fresh
for the
samples.
big photo shoot.
You try and do that with my dogs? Ain't happening.
Stay there. Hang on. Hey, Gigi, don't fail on the glasses. No.
I think we got it. We got the point.
Good enough.
So we ended up just getting these pictures of Gigi on the trike. Came out awesome. Should make for some really cool Instagram pictures.
Guy didn't film.
Hey
No,
man,
I only got 2 hands.
I was doing the stories on the Instagram, and
You're just sitting back here going,
I guess there's actually a guy taking.
Anytime you're looking, you should be filming.
You get custom with the turning machine.
Oh, dude, I got a sweet setup now. You don't even need that drill in it.
What do you mean?
Oh, come on.
Oh, you kidding
You
me?
can't have this on. You can't have this on
You
video.
kidding me?
Cut that. Cut that shit.
No, like this is our one thing we seriously can't
Yeah.
put on because
Yeah,
it's
seriously, got it.
pretty much I'm getting all these, what'd you call these, Steve? Rod end, wheelie bar links built. Freaking hot out here, man. Just
Looks like you could use a ice cream sandwich.
ice cream sandwich. You kidding me?
No, not kidding.
I brought ice cream sandwiches in. Thanks, guy. Freaking bam. Oh!
hey, still got it. I thought you were throwing me another one. Yeah, I was gonna say, these little shooters.
Oh yeah, the little minis.
Oh man.
That way they don't weigh you down too much when you're working.
Just enough to take the chill off.
Take the chill off.
cream
Oh,
sandwich.
these are going in the trikes, and with the trikes they're gonna be all melted.
I'm gonna send Dave a picture of this.
You posted. I need to pick a picture of you with the sandwich for your TGV Ben. You like yelled like somebody had ripped their arm off.
Because Steve goes, here's ice cream sandwich, man. I go, we're not getting this on film. We're not video recording this, videotaping this.
Hold on. Keep rolling. Keep rolling. Come up here. Keep rolling. Go up and look on my desk.
Okay.
Just literally keep rolling. Go up and look on the blue note on my desk.
Okay.
Oh, no, I told Dave, I go, I should have set you up and Dave
Oh,
and
man.
he pops you, thinking you're
That'd be
gonna get-
funny. Did you see that?
No.
Oh, you have to
I
watch.
missed it.
You have to watch the replay.
I want to say this is the best ones, the
Man.
unexpected ones.
Man.
I don't think there's ever honestly been an ice cream sandwich in this shop ever.
Man, reward myself here. Fresh too. Sometimes you get them and they're a little old. Somehow a prank ice cream sandwich.
Filled with laxatives. Wait, why didn't Steve eat one?
Frames all finished, wheelie bars all finished up, final welded, making some axle front fork spacers. Tomorrow it's packaging day. We should have everything. I have to cut the little turnbuckle link ends or whatever you want to call them, wheelie bar links. I could get that done later tonight.
How'd your day go?
Pretty good. I had an ice cream sandwich.
Nice. I had one too.
Sweet. It just come flying out of the freezer, man.
Well, these are looking good.
Yeah. So we did, let's see, that last frame, it's all welded and cleaned. And we did all the forks, we cleaned all those, and the wheelie bars, them all done.
Steve's been going through and like you could see how those ones aren't cleaned. He comes through and cleans all the welds with the wire wheel on a grinder or
Yeah.
on the air
Nice.
die grinder. So make it as nice as we can for the end product. Guys can get it and just paint it up, powder it up.
You got one more work day. The newsletter is going to be going out tomorrow at noon with the. Are you kidding me?
What? You kidding me? I'm trying to get parts stuff. Steve's over there throwing out through on his nose.
Make me choke on Mountain Dew. Are you kidding me?
I'm trying to do work.
This is why the people are mad. They can never get any information.
I'm listening. Go on.
okay. Real funny. Tell the people when the newsletter's coming out.
It's coming out tomorrow. Well,
What?
when's this video coming out?
Tonight. This is going tonight.
It's coming out tomorrow at noon.
Eastern Standard Time.
So.
Give me an outro, Steve.
I was gonna hit the hammer real loud on that one, just to.
Oh, you would have scared the crap out of me.
Yeah.
Yeah, start thinking about your pranks.
I need like a little tether with that camera that like you put on, so like when you go, whoa!
Oh yeah, it's like
doesn't,
on my hand.
fly off.
It's a wrist tether.
Yeah, like a little wristlet.
Just cut it.
Cut it. We're done
Cut it.
here.